It is now commonly accepted that to encourage customer loyalty in today's rapidly changing and transparent environment, it is essential to fully understand all types of customers so that they have an amazing experience time and time again. According to Forrester, years of data confirms that the strong relationship between the quality of a firm's customer experience and loyalty. This type of an initiative is commonly called the voice of the customer. Welcome to the customer's mind. Most organizations will reach out and survey their customers from time to time and make decisions based upon that data. But there are some very real challenges with these current methods. First, much of the data is out of date just a few weeks after it's gathered. It is difficult to engage the employees in putting that new customer knowledge to work in a meaningful way. All too often, senior management takes the responsibility for the change rather than partnering with the employees. Organizations tend to focus on performance-related metrics only, without properly considering the priorities of different customer segments. Rarely do organizations endeavor to compare the gaps between what the customer priorities are and what the employees think the customer priorities are. And finally, they often use the misguided view that customer loyalty can be fully understood with just one question. The customer's mind is different because it provides a framework for ongoing communication and creates a dialogue with customers rather than just ask for their feedback. The process allows for an out delegation where everyone in the organization is engaged in the voice of the customer rather than it being top-down or bottom-up. Our system engages all customer contacts, from users to decision makers and purchasing agents, through effective branching, giving non-partisan and clear picture of the real relationship. The Expectation Gap Index measures the gap between what is expected and what is being delivered, so that the organization can set real priorities based upon customer priorities. The system is also an outside-in quality system which allows you to easily validate whether or not your organizational activities are creating customer value. Our proprietary customer-employee gap analysis clearly identifies areas where the employees and the customers think differently, which facilitates greater understanding for all in a non-obtrusive way. Finally, the customer's mind interprets all of the parts of the total customer experience, which can be quite complex. The customer's mind is just a part of the MindSuite set of tools that work well alone and are seamless together. So please, talk to us today. We would welcome the opportunity to help you get inside your customer's mind.